Just want to start this video off by saying thank you for all the support on the last video that I put out. Thank you for all of you guys who've recently joined the channel. The last time I did a video like this was when I initially bought this. This car at that point in time looked completely different to what it looks like right now. But have I still got some crazy plans for this car. The side skirt. Silver at the moment, that's fine. Don't like it. That needs to be sorted out, so I'm going to be sorting that out. The window, love the window, but nothing going on here. Got a modification coming for the front window. The rear bumper that I've currently got on here right now is the blue is not the Blue Motion. I'm putting the Blue Motion back on the car. I don't like that bumper. The rear window looks completely fine, but it's missing something. Got a modification coming for this. On the front of the bumper, there's nothing going on the front of the bumper. I like the bumper, but the bumper needs a bit more work. Needs something called, you probably guessed it, that's coming. The leather is starting to look a bit rough, so I'm going to be sorting this out, making that look good. Radio, it's all right, you know, it looks like a double din, but it's got a single din bit here. Doesn't really look too great. Makes the car look a bit old. On the interior, we've got all this chrome here, bit of chrome here, which is all right. Not a fan of it. Let me show you what some of these modifications are that we're going to be putting on the car. I've got them in the house already. I'm now at home in the man cave. Let's go over these modifications we've got coming up. What you're probably going to be seeing next is the installation of these bad boys here. We've got the steering wheel coming up, radio install coming up. This modification, which is under here, this thing is massive. We've got the V-Land headlights on, and that's what they look like. I love the look of them. The only problem that I'm seeing right now with the car is the fact that the fog lights are still yellow.